guys, so this is my Leetcode section, and what I want to say is that so this problem is basically sum of the square numbers. Okay, so this problem is really interesting. That your task is to ask about somebody give you an integer, and they ask about whether you can find another two integers, a squared plus b squared equal to c. And then there's a theorem. This is all problem which proved by the mathematician by the format theorem of sum of two squares. Basically, if you want to see the proof, then you can go to my channel, and I will have a proof here. Okay, but this is but that's a mathematical object, the mathematical theorem, and basically. So there are many properties, and I think one known properties is very good is that the product of two numbers, each of which is sum of two numbers, and itself is sum of two numbers. Okay, so basically we know that 2 is sum of two numbers, so 2 is 1 squared plus 1 squared. Okay, so what we know is that if c is 0, then we first return true. If c is it's an odd number, it's an even number, we just keep dividing 2, because we already know that 2 is the sum of two squares, and then we know if p and q are sum of two squares, and then their product also, so we can just keep dividing 2 and until we got some integer. And after that we can create a hash table, and I get the integer because so since your a squared plus b squared equals to c, so a and b must less than the square root of c. So I first create a hash table, and the range is just square root of c, and then j just go through the rest, and if c minus j squared are in the original hash table, then there must be an answer. So I return true, else I return false. And I think this is not very good answer, but I still can pass the test. So this is my videos, and I will see you guys in the next interesting videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.